Morning, Timber. Got them editing skills. I wish that's how it actually worked, though. Damn. Outside? Morning. Woke up this morning feeling like all sore everywhere, and I'm like, what's that about? Like, where'd that come from? I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. We filmed an edit yesterday. When you don't ride dirt bikes for a while, it kind of like takes a toll on your body when you get back on them. I honestly forgot about that. But regardless, it was awesome to be able to hop back on the bike and get some clips and make another edit. It's been like 4 or 5 months since my last edit, so yeah, it's been a while. I literally just built a house next to ours. Our neighbors are gonna have to get used to me standing down here talking to myself. We got the old Ford. All right, so today we're gonna be going to the lake. My parents are camping down there. I've been house sitting, but we're gonna go down there and see if we can't catch a fish. We're here. Gotta love when you're trying to go somewhere, but the radio's playing a banger, so you gotta like see. Got one. Perch. Dad called a little perch. I don't know what that might be. Stingray? That's all right. Dude, they're so freaking quick. Look how big this shrimp is. It's almost as big as the mangrove. Oh.